Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft launcher is not available in your account. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you need to do is just type here background apps, and now you will find like that. All you need to do is just scroll down and make sure to turn off. Wait, where is it? This one here is it, Microsoft Store. Make sure to turn it off and then close this window, and after that go to Task Manager. Now all you need to do just close all the applications that you don't need in the background. Now let's move to the next step. Go to date and time settings, and make sure to enable set time automatically, and go back and go to Microsoft Store. Right click on it and click app settings. Scroll down until you find here repair. Now just wait for it, and now just try to install it again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, click reset, and after that you need to log in again to your account. And I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.